So, good morning ladies and gents. It's Saturday the 21st of March 2026 and it's my turn to do the Great Tommy Sleep Out. I've got other guys joining me from the Association of Veteran Subs in Newport, South Wales. We're going to do a two-nighter up in the Brecon Beacons. So I'm going to set up now and then I'll take you around the lads, show you their setups. So yeah, it should be a good 2 nights. Catch you later. So this is my setup for the night. Hammock, it's a hammock setup. Luxury accommodation there, 5-star. Happy days. Then I'm going to take you around to, this is KB's setup here. He's also gone for the hammock option. Take you round. So we've got another guy with us, Richie. I'll show you round. So this is Richie's setup here. He's also gone for the hammock. Now his hammock's identical to mine. That is the DD Frontline hammock. Both come with the bug net. Obviously I'm not putting mine on, but he's got his up. So that's his little setup there. And then we've got Carl. There's another Carl with us. Also taking the hammock option. So this is Carl's setup here. Yeah. There we go.
Because all the veterans out there, me and your man, we're all solid boys.
Yeah, and I'm gonna put it around.
6 bayonets.
Happy days. Yeah, here we go. Here we go, boys.
Contact left.
Great Tommy Sleep Out. Let's go.
6
We've
bayonets.
got nice little lads there.
5,
Happy days.
4.
Hey, take your shoes off, mate. Why? Take your shoes off. Take your boots off, bro. Bro, take your boots
I
off.
can't take my boots off for now. I have.
Can you please take your boots off, brother?
Why?
Please, please. I want
Now,
you to
shoes.
I want your boots to be warm, bro. So when you come out, you're still warm. Boy! No, wait! Oh no! He's in with his boots.
Oh.
He's in with his
Boots will
boots.
dry out in no time, yeah?
Right.
It's not about you.
No know about that, mate, but there you go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa.
Go on, swing, daddy. Here we go. Amen. The fire is lit.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Mahatma Gandhi. Right. Let's look at Mahatma Gandhi.
Yeah.
Oh, he went to South Africa as well, didn't
Amen. Did he?
he? Yeah.
So it's his fault.
He was in SA teaching.
Okay everyone, so it's 7:25, 21st of March 2026. So we've got a fire going. A couple of lads there now, KB, Richie. I got Lee here to my right. Mike is bedded down for the night. I think he's just come off a night shift. And Carl behind me, he's
Just come off a bottle of whiskey.
I think he's
Come on,
just, I
cold.
think he's just had,
He's gone.
had too much to
He's
drink.
gone.
So yeah, so we're gonna have a few beers now in front of the fire and probably bed down for the night then. Cheers guys.
Excellent, fucking amazing noise doing that stuff. They're going to walk the dog later. Fucking walk the dog like this. We were sleeping last night, dude. There's no way you're going to be comfortable.
Nah, mate, I haven't fucking. I've worked always doubling shifts, haven't I? So
Yeah.
much fucking bad at it, so I just fucking takes that.
Caught last night again, what do you reckon? Caught that bass?
Fucking Brew on it.
Ladies and gents, day 2 of the Tommy sleep out. So me and a few lads have decided to climb Penny Van this morning. Lee has kindly volunteered to guard the camp.
Bravely. Bravely.
So yeah, we'll take some photos when we're up there.
Done it back if you went and said, like, we
Catch you later. Morning guys, so this is just set off from camp now. We're walking towards Pontadaff car park. We'll be setting off for the Penny Van. So as you can see in the distance is people already walking up the trail. So yeah, I'll see you when I get to the top. If I haven't died by then.
Face to be first, boys.
Not that weird hour before.
Hurry up and get another rest, mate. Mark, too slow. Back there you go.
So not too far to go now. That's Corn D up there, so we just got up the track a bit more. I think it's just over 150 metres, and then we'll at Penny Van. Right, so we're back at camp now. We've got a fire going. KB's cooking some chicken up. It's a chill out afternoon.
Camp that I bravely guarded on my own.
Lee bravely guarded the camp on his
No
own.
one broke in. Nothing was pinched.
Yeah. Sterling job.
Real
So,
party.
a couple of beers this evening, I think.
Yeah.
Won't go mad, and then we'll pack up and head on tomorrow.
That's good.
It looks like a question skid mark.
But, Let me see, guys.
Right, it looks like we're about to come.
No, wait there, mate. This is there.
Don't dare tap.
No, wait there. Listen,
wants to make it a beat.
Listen.
No.
Okay. Are you still? Your regiment still there?
No, it's just the raw Welsh.
Right, you go. So your regiment has been evaporated.
I agree.
Because the basic like.
Good morning. Monday the 23rd of March 2026. So last night was the last night of our camp out. So the boys will be getting up soon. Make a brew, get some scoff on, and we'll break camp then and head off home. Cheers, guys.
I don't call pints anymore. Time acceleration capsules, isn't he? I'm glad I woke up feeling fucking fresh. Cold, but fresh.
Yeah.
Come on, swift and bold.
I'll take the bread with the way.
No, I don't.
It's not good enough fucking house, is it? But the thing is, Mike, we had loads of real bacon.
Right, so here we are, guys. We've packed up. That's end decks now for the Great Tommy's Sleep Out 2026. Thanks, a massive shout out to those who've donated.
Especially Keith.
Keith, Alex, Emma,
The association.
Hannah.
Hannah.
Dawn. I think I've got everyone there. If I've missed anyone, I do apologise, but thank you so much for your generosity. We're going to make a move now. So, yeah, thanks a lot, guys. Catch you on the next one.